everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd share with you. I've already opened it. I'm really sorry, I can't help myself. Today I received my Hey Pumpkin, is it Hey Pumpkin? Trick or Treat Hey Pumpkin kit from the Lollipop Box Club. This is her Halloween autumn one-off kit. So I was so inspired by Lisa's video just now about making use of this kit. Now she created a little page flag or banner type mini book. So I have in this kit are these papers. So you get a plain one, 2 of the orange dotted one, 2 of these wood pattern, and pink, can't remember, graph one, and this arrow one. Now I started just folding it. I'm just so out of excitement. So I want that plain white, plain one as well. So they're really good quality cardstock. And you know, they're really good quality cardstock, so it's good to have them. Right, so far I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. So now I have the old kits, you know. Now it occurred to me, yeah, so there I have some of the old kits as well. So I've pulled one of each of the papers or the cardstock so I can use it. So I've got a vellum piece here that I want to include. So rather than doing an October daily, I am doing what they call October occasionally. Can't remember who coined that thing, but I wanted to kind of like so this one I'm gonna put it in the middle, but I'll fold it like the other way around. These are really thick papers. Because I want to make this into a pocket. So if I put that there, so there's a bit of an overhang, so I'm going to trim that. So that just means I've got 1, 2, it's like 12 pages. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. So like minus the cover, I've got 5 pages inside. Do I want a plain one though to break it all up? So if I want that as a pocket, then I would use this. Okay, so that, got this too. Amazing. Okay, so that's my front cover. So this is my cover. Then you've got a white plain one, craft one, vellum, peachy colored, and then I'll pop this into like a, use that as a pocket. Okay, so, and I'm ready to bind. Right, I've kept this long because I don't know whether I want to put some bits and pieces in it. So that is our book. And are we ready to decorate? All right. Right, I kind of like forgot to go through the stuff that I've got on the box. Really sorry, my head's not really with me. So, and this little package, it was sealed with this little cute paper clip, which I can use to close my little mini book. I got like doilies with it, so that would be amazing because I can use that on my layouts. You get 3, just be very careful not to tear it. Knowing my luck, I will. Ooh, all right, we're safe. So I got 3 of them and 3 of these little pumpkin wood die cuts, wood pieces. And I also got this ribbon, Halloween ribbon, and I also got a lace, this stickers, and this like kind of like speech bubble. And I also got like the 2 leaves in here on this packet. So then on this packet, kind of like get like little page marker die cuts. So that's really cool. Lovely. So all of Lisa's kit will have all the things that you need to make a mini book. I can't speak today. I'll put this in here so I know I don't lose anything. That's why I love Lollipop Box Club kits. You also get, as you've seen, like a postcard. This is her own illustration. She made that. You didn't get that sticker because that's an old sticker. You get a sticker. I did tell you earlier on, you get those papers. You get a sticker from Happy Scatter to use on your journal or your mini book. More stickers here, like circular ones, and some of them you can actually like write in them. That's really cool. And there's some word stickers from Mrs. Brimble's. And Lollipop Box wouldn't be it if there's no sweeties. But this time she sent Haribo's rather than lollipops, which is nice. And then in this little baggie, you get little tassel charms, little banner stickers or banner 3D, 3-dimensional stickers that you can use on your mini book. That's really great. Oops. And then you get this little cute, oh my goodness, that is really cute, clip as well. Oh my goodness. That's really pretty. And then you get a flare that you can put on your book. You get a thin washi tape. You get a pom-pom trim. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be cute. Like that. Do I have enough? Oh no, I don't have enough. So probably put one in front or in one of the pages. And then you get these letter stickers. That's also from Happy Scatter. And you get a Halloween pencil. So yeah, so there's a lot of there to play with to create your mini book. So as you can see, I've already started, and as I said earlier, I've pulled out some old kits I can use, which is great. Okay, so here's my started up book. So started decorating it, but then I kind of like stopped. Something's holding me back, and I think because I'm not used to pre-decorating pages, I want to decorate them as I go along. So I've used the leaves from this sheet, autumn sheet, and I've used where's that too? Some of the letters from this sheet, and the hearts from this old sticker kit. And I've also used one of the word sticker. Oh, the word sticker. It was here. Yeah, it was here. Yeah, that's it. This word sticker that's come from Mrs. Brimble's, and I've used the doilies, and there is something in me saying, why have I got it on like orange on orange? I should have used that, but hey ho, not to worry. I'm all right with that. And then I started decorating it, but I stopped because something's holding me back. And I think it's just how, you know, it's just how I am. So I'm gonna start printing some of the photographs that I've taken recently. So I've pre-decorated some pages, but not everything. So here is a flip through. It's fairly blank for now. I've added a postcard as a tip-in, and I've created those pockets from those 2 pages, and these are tags that I've made recently, or these are offcuts, so I thought I'd use them. So I'll pop that, and I've popped 2 of them there. Oops, sorry. So there's like pockets in there. Oh. And then carries on like that. There you go. In there, and that's the end. So I've still got loads to use, but I am gonna use it as, you know, use everything as I document along. So yeah, hope this has inspired you to use your kit, or use things in your stash to make a little mini book. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.